perfect like that.
Okay, so this is
Okay.
a comp, how you apply comp makeup.
Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is apply a makeup primer to the entire face, eyes and all. It can also be a moisturizer, a lightweight moisturizer. Next step, close, relax, close your eyes. We're going to put concealer on the eyelid. Look up to the sky and under the eye. Look up to the sky. Then take a little bit of the concealer and go around the corner of the mouth.
And why do you go around the corner of the mouth?
To make sure that when you put the dark red lipstick, it prevents bleeding onto the face and will last the entire competition period. Then take a light liquid foundation matching your child's skin tone and blend into the entire face. Lily, will you tilt your head up? Okay, thanks. Blend into the hairline and the chin line so there is no distinct line between the face and the neck. And make sure to go over the eyelid again and under the eye. And after the foundation, you're going to take any pressed powder and seal the foundation. This is a very important step, otherwise the liquid foundation over time will start being absorbed by the skin and your child will look shiny on stage. Very important to seal the eyes so that when you go to apply the shadow, it applies easily. Next step, take an angle brush and any brown eyeshadow that complements your child's eyebrows and fill in the eyebrows. This is a very important step because the eyebrow is what will frame the eyes and make them stand out on stage. After that, just seal it with a clear mascara. And once the eyebrows are filled in, take your lighter of your two shadows, close your eyes, Lily, and first go right under the brow as the highlighter. As well on the lid. Notice I have left the crease of the eyelids empty for the dark shadow. Then you're going to take the dark brown, follow the natural crease 3/4 of the way in, Do not extend past the natural eyelid. And bring down into the corner. Almost like a Pac-Man mouth. Next, we are going to do eyeliner. I like to use a skinny eyeliner brush along with a gel, as it tends to dry the fastest and be the easiest to apply. Close, close. So you're going to take it and go as close to the lash line as possible. And no wings. Then, on the side of your hand, apply some eyelash adhesive, preferably in clear. With the back of a makeup brush, apply a thin layer of eyelash glue to the lash. And have your child hold the lash. Just hold it between your fingers. Then apply the glue to the second lash. These lashes have been cut to fit the eyes. Hold. Okay. Then take the first lash, close your eye. Just relax. And you are going to put it on the lash line. Don't squish. Just relax. And hold down the ends for just a couple seconds so that they grab. No, keep your eyes closed. Don't open. And I'm going to go in on this side and do the same thing. I just need to apply a little bit more glue. And once again, just hold it down so that the ends grip.
And how long will these lashes stay on for?
Until you pull them off. If at any point you notice that the ends are lifting, you can do what I did and just add a little bit more glue and just put some pressure on the ends. Because if anything, it's just going to be the ends that will lift. Okay, don't open. So while the eyes are still closed, you're going to do a second layer of eyeliner on top of the lashes. Oops.
What are you doing?
Your eyes are tearing a bit. Your eyes tearing a bit? Yeah.
Just get the...
So don't open, okay? We're just gonna let them dry. This corner might not stick so well because your eyes are tearing. But it's okay. And while the eyes are drying, we're gonna take a bronzer and apply it as if it was blush. Okay. Then with relaxed lips, outline the lips the natural shape with lip liner. And gently just draw in a little bit. Open your mouth a bit. Thank you. By slightly drawing in the lip, it will just add as a base for the lipstick to stay a little longer. And take your tube of lipstick and a lipstick brush. Open a bit. Perfect.
And why would you want to use a lipstick brush versus the
Open a
lipstick?
little bit more. The lipstick brush is just going to give you much more control, and it's such a dark color. If you get it on the face, it's going to be very hard to remove. Okay.
Smile. Her eyes look so blue with the red. That's it.
That's it.
So this is your comp looking stage ready face. Beautiful.